your husband do?
Well, actually, he's never owned one.
You're actually going to do this?
Yes.
Wow, you got guts. Do you have a particular styling that you like?
I don't really know the difference between motorcycles.
I got you. I'm with you.
You know, custom bikes are becoming a little more mainstream these days, so occasionally you get a customer that's got a great idea, but isn't too sure about the specifics. It's times like that when I have to go from count to counsel and try and figure out what these people want and what we can actually do.
What do you see in your head? What does it look like?
Well, red's his favorite color. He's got a
Okay.
red pickup, he's got reds in my truck.
Lots, lots, girl. So we got red.